Hi, welcome back, my dear student. On this lecture here, we are going to be exploring heading. All right, and the heading tag is actually a little more than what I showed you in the last lecture, and I want to show it to you in this one. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to the blank.html, and this is what we are going to be doing all the time. All right, so blank.html. Make sure that you are on that file, and you can make sure right here on the right on the top side right here, and let's do a save as. And what I do with my keyboard shortcut is I do the command shift S, right? And remember, for Windows users is control shift S, and that will do a save as on that page. And I can call this page headings. All right, so remember that you can always go to file and do that save as right here. Okay, so now that we have that document, let's go ahead and name it. Let's just name it headings right here on the title. I'm going to show you what that title keyword is right here. And if I go back, you can see title right here on top. All right, so that's what that title of the page. Every page has to have a title of some kind, and this will appear in the search engines. All right, so we have the title. Now let's explore the heading. All right, so the first heading that we are going to be exploring, and we already seen this one, is the H1 tag. All right, and this one, just gonna call it heading 1 for your info. All right, so we already know that the browser is displaying this big text right here, right? Refresh, because it is already selecting my co-editor right here. So if I click on it, you can see those lines around it. That's all it means. All right, so don't think that this is part of our HTML page. It's not. This is just the co-editor. So let's go ahead and do the next one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a copy with my keyboard shortcut, Command C or Control C, and let's do a couple times. Actually, I press the Command C again, and I copy that empty space. But let's do Command V or Control V to do the pasting. And I'm going to change this. I'm going to show you that if we wanted to, we can make an H2 tag also. I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna push it all the way there so that way you can see it. I'm gonna organize this a little bit, and the way you do that with this co-editor and a lot of different co-editors is that you select the whole whatever you want to move around, because we're gonna move all this at the same time to the left. So hold your control key or your command key and type in and press the left bracket, and the bracket is this one right here close to the enter. That's the left one, and this is the right one, right? So when I say bracket, square bracket, that's the one that I mean. Select, and you can move it to the right too if you want, all at the same time. Really cool feature, right? So we're gonna change this to H2. Let's change this to H3. Let's change this to H4. Actually, oops, that's H3 also. H4, H4, and I just want to show you the difference. Two more. Let's use that. Move it to the left. Put a little space there. Make sure that this is 5, 5, 6, and 6. Save it. Command S or Control S, and let's go to the browser. See what we have here. There we go, and let's make it a little smaller so you can see the difference. There we go. As you can see here, the only difference here with this formatting is that the size changes. So this is the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. All right. So this is how you format headings in HTML. Thank you so much for watching. On the next lecture, we're going to discuss some more popular elements that you should know about from HTML. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Take care.